Hello, welcome to my page. Here's a beautiful song for you. I hope you like it. Please share. Thank you in advance. God bless. When you are lonely, when you know the sadness only, let your feelings out. If there's no doubt that your lover is gone away, cry, just keep on crying. When there's no more hope for trying, when your crying is done, let me be the one to give you love more each day. Now that he's gone, my time has come to give you love every day. Cry now for tomorrow, 'cause we made there'll be no sorrow, not a tear to fall, but most of all, love and happiness will come your way. Cry, just keep on crying. When there's no more hope for trying, when your crying is done, let me be the one to give you love more each day. When your crying is done, let me be the one to give you love more each day. I'd like to shout out my video sharers, yung po mga nagre-react sa aking mga post. Thank you. Mga nagko-comment, yung po mga nagsasend ng stars. Thank you. At yung po mga silent follower, magparamdam naman po kayo para alam ko po nandiyan po kayo. Para po sa aking mga top fans, and to my monthly fan subscribers, thank you po. Maraming salamat po. At lagi niyo po akong sinasamahan. Sinashoutout ko rin po yung mga nag-iisa sa kanilang buhay, sa bahay, mga may sakit. Huwag po kayong mag-alala. Pray lang po kayo. Ang Panginoon Diyos, di po tayo pababayaan. I love you all. Don't cry.